Hey, so I just had this Chevy Silverado come in for a minor dent repair on the truck fender. And you're going to see how I use Paintless Dent Repair to remove this minor dent. So come on, let's go outside, let's take a look at it. So here you can see the dent on this truck fender was caused probably from bumping into a garbage can, I believe my customer had said. And you can see there's a sharp impact point right above the body line. And then that caused it to push down the metal below the line. And this is definitely a somewhat of a severe damage, but let's go pull it inside and we'll get started on it. Now, under my PDR lights here, we can see how deep and how extreme this damage is, making it more than just a minor dent. And while the main impact of this dent on the fender was probably right about 2 inches, once I mark the outer edges of the damage, you're going to see that this dent is definitely more about 3 inches in size, but it does have a deep center and a damaged body line. Now, when we want to find the cost of Paintless Dent Repair, the method we use is first we go about by measuring the damage, and then there's some additional factors that we have to take into account. With this particular damage, it is a deep, sharp dent, and also you can see here that the body line is crushed, and that's going to take some additional time to repair. So then we use our guide, and this gives us the cost of Paintless Dent Repair by taking the size and the additional factors. One other thing here is I do have to remove the fender liner to give me access behind the dent to be able to push it out. And with this particular one, there are some small little access holes that are behind this fender liner. So by loosening this or moving it out of the way will give me access with my Paintless Dent Repair tools to start pushing out the dent. Now, first I'm going to start with some heat on the dent. And this helps to make the Paintless Dent Repair process easier by keeping the paint soft and flexible and also making the metal easier to work with. Now, this first PDR tool I'm going to start with is a fairly sharp tool, and the reason being is because this is the only tool that's going to fit through the access holes behind the fender. But I'm going to apply this special tape, and that's going to help soften it up so that I don't get any major sharp push marks as I start with this damage. Now, if you want, you can find a link to this tape in the description below. Now, this sped up version is going to show you the process of Paintless Dent Repair that I used to slowly and precisely make little pushes to get out this minor dent. Do you like what you've seen so far? Click that like button and also hit subscribe for some more Paintless Dent Repair videos. So with pushing up all the lows and then having to knock down all the high ridges, I am then now left with some small but sharp dents. And these dents are most likely the main impact point. Now, both of these Paintless Dent Repair tools here are from the A1 PDR tool company. And the first one I used is one of their stock Paintless Dent Repair tools. But this other tool with the very sharp tip, this is one that I had them custom make for me just for these situations. Now, if you're interested, I will leave a link to A1 tool down in the description below. Now, with this type of damage, we often move our light to a different angle so we can see if there's any other issues with the damage. And you can see here that there's a little bit of a high line on the top and the bottom, and then also still some low spots that we can see from this angle. So what I'm going to do here, you can see, is I'm going to continue to knock down any of these high spots, get inside and push up any of the low spots in this minor dent until I have a good, smooth finish. You can go check out this other large truck fender dent that I have that was also from hitting a garbage can. The link is just above there in the corner. Now all that is left is some minor buffing and a polish to bring the paint surface back to an excellent finish. Okay, follow me and let's go outside. We'll take a look at the final results. Now, if you are local to the Blaine, Minnesota area and you are in need of a minor dent repair for your vehicle, or if you're in the surrounding Minneapolis and St. Paul region, then you can contact me here at Excel Dent Removal. My phone number is 763-780-4000, or just visit my website at exceldentremoval.com. I look forward to providing you an excellent paintless dent repair.